This is what a typical insurance policy looks like. It's between 80 and 150 pages. Now imagine suffering a fire or water damage claim, not knowing what you're entitled to, and your insurance broker gives you one piece of paper and goes, here's your policy. We all know you're not going to know your entire policy contract within one page. That would be considered the declaration page. And the declaration page is more the bare bones of what you're entitled to, just stated limits, but doesn't really tell you anything else. If you want to really know what you're entitled to, you have to read every page. Now you can imagine this is a full-time job just doing this. You'd have to take time off from work just to present the claim and learn your policy, or become an attorney or an ex-attorney who specializes in insurance claims. At United Public Adjusters and Appraisers, this is what we do. Before we even take on your claim, we get a copy of the full policy, we review it, we analyze it, we'll give you our thoughts on what coverages apply to your loss. And before we even speak to the insurance company, we already know more than they know, especially the adjuster who just got recently assigned to your loss. If you're looking for an advocate who knows how to read policies, knows how to present the claim, and do it quickly in order to get you maximum payment very quickly, call United Public Adjusters and Appraisers.